guys, so right now I'm using this, the rice, actually to put in the hook. They use it, it's like a fish food, so it looks like a ball right now. So this is it. So we're gonna try to catch it. This is the long rod. Oh my god, it's super long. Hopefully the fish, I don't drop it here. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw this side. I'm gonna throw here. Okay. Hopefully I catch something over here. Come here. So hopefully I get, you see how big it is? It's super big rod. Okay guys, so the fish, actually the security of the restaurant is helping me to take out the hook because it's like a bloody scene now. So this is the security and trying to open it up. Okay, thank you. And then we're gonna go the other side. Okay guys, so just now the security said that on the left side actually there's a lot more fish. So I caught the catfish, it's actually on the left side. So on the right side they say there's fish, a different type of fish, but it's much more, I would say they feed often, so there's not a lot of like fish that you can actually get. So I'm gonna try again on the left side. After I get another fish, I will try on the right side, because the right side they say got a lot of variety, different type of fish. Okay, so we're gonna try on the left side. So I'm gonna throw it a bit further so I can fight with the fish. Okay. We should be very fast. Okay, I'm getting it already. Okay, I see I caught a fish. To the rod, here, catch fish. Oh no, it's missed. I missed it. Oh no, you see, it's still here. Oh, the fish is still here. Oh my god, the fish is still here. What are you recording? Oh, that's the fish. Okay, I got another fish. I got the same fish here. This is the second one. Okay, that's the catfish. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it up. Oh, okay. Okay, so here's the fish, the catfish. Okay, so it's gonna open up. So this is the catfish, another one. Okay, this is only 2 catfish. So now I'm gonna try on the right side now. Yep. Okay guys, so I'm actually a new spot. After catching 2 catfish, I'm over here right now. As you can see, it's actually a very beautiful pond with nobody. Because I'm the VIP, the boss actually let me in into the restaurant and to the resort because it's under renovation actually. See, this part is under renovation. There's people behind me. Okay, so when I catch the 3rd fish, I'll show you guys. Alright, I've really almost give up because I wait like 10 minutes, no fish. So right now I'm using like 4 to 5 prawn, and then I want to catch a big one. So see, the 3rd fish will it be a big one. Okay, so catch you guys later on. I caught a fish, the 3rd one. I don't know whether is it big or small. It feels like medium size right now. See, the rod is bending. Oh my god. So I caught a fish. Yeah, I have.
Dạ đang câu được một con.
I don't know what fish. Oh, I think it's the same fish. Always the same fish I get, a catfish. Okay, it's a small one. Oh, boy.
This is the boss.
Okay, guys, this is the boss actually at the restaurant. Later I will show him the YouTube channel so that I can show you the restaurant. Later I'll give you the YouTube channel. You can see. Okay. Okay. Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Đâu bự không?
Em nghĩ chắc là con này cũng nhỏ.
All the same fish. So I need to open up the hook. Be careful. Okay, this one is the top. Right. The fish, smaller one. Baby, this one. Baby fish. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to the restaurant to actually see maybe one of the fish I will cook and the other 3 will give away. So stay tuned and I'll see if I can what type of dish they will cook for me, alright?
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only
only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
Okay guys, welcome back. So right now, I'm with actually a boss in the restaurant. This is the boss right now. He's actually very nice. He borrowed me the rod to fish, to do fishing. And also I caught like 4 fish and he charged me like nothing at all. So everything is free for me. So he never charged me anything. How nice is that? So right now I will introduce to you the boss. This is the boss. Can you ask him his name?
Nó hỏi là anh tên gì à?
My name Hai.
Hi. Okay, so his name is Hai. So it's actually very nice. So I will actually introduce it to tell him that actually to say thank you so much for everything that he do for me.
Cảm ơn anh vì tất cả những gì mà anh đã giúp đỡ hai tụi em từ hồi nãy tới giờ.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hopefully my YouTube, you guys over there can actually come here to actually try out the food. Later on I'm going to try the hot pot. I will show you guys. But right now I just want to thank him, and he cannot join us because he's busy. There's a birthday going on and he actually turned down the music for me. So I want to just let him know that hopefully that a lot of people will come and view the video and come to try the food.
Chúng em rất là cảm ơn anh, bởi vì tụi anh thứ nhất là tụi anh đã turn off cái nhà đây cho tụi em. Cái thứ hai là tụi em cũng nó cũng nói với là YouTube là mọi người hãy đến đây để mà ăn cái quán của anh, cũng như là thử, tại vì chủ quán rất là nice giống như anh, rất là tốt bụng để giúp mọi người.
Hopefully
Cho tụi em mượn cần câu.
Hopefully everybody can come here and meet him.
Hy vọng là tất cả mọi người đến đây đều có thể gặp được anh giống như vậy cho tụi em.
Come to Center City and try the food here.
Yeah.
And meet this guy. This guy is super nice. He's very friendly.
Dạ, tại vì tụi em chạy hết cái Cần Thơ xong rồi qua đây mới được gặp anh như vậy, mới được may mắn vậy. Cảm ơn em rất là may mắn.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hy vọng là hy vọng là anh có thể cùng ăn với tụi em ít nhất là giờ một chút.
Okay.
Tại vì tụi em cũng biết là anh hơi bận.
I will give him the YouTube so that he can watch us. And then I will try out the food later on. Okay?
Dạ rồi. Ok. Nó nói là tụi em sẽ hồi nữa tụi em sẽ đi gửi cho anh cái link của YouTube tụi em á. Là có khoảng 10.000 sub. Thì anh vô anh có thể coi với lại thấy được cái nãy giờ tụi em quay như thế nào. Dạ.
Okay. Good. Thank you so much. Okay guys, right now the food is here. But one more person that I want to thank is actually the security guard. He actually helped me to like fill out the food and bring the rod for me. And he also actually talked to the boss for me to ask for like what type of like food I can eat and like what type of dish that I should get, and the discount actually is free. So I want to thank him. Thank you so much. How to say thank you in Vietnamese?
Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, he with the cigarette now. So thank you so much. So hopefully I can see him again. Tell him that he's super friendly.
Đó là cảm ơn anh, là hy vọng tụi con có thể gặp chú lại lần sau. Rồi vậy là cảm ơn chú vì giúp đỡ tụi con. Rồi cảm ơn chú.
So guys, go into the food. Thank you. Thank you so much. So hey guys, so right now I'm actually at the street food, trying to try out all the seafood over here. So wow, my face is so shiny right now. So they're gonna cook for me a crab dish and some other dish. Actually, like I met the person actually very nice. So I'm gonna like try out the seafood right now. Let's go. Rồi, độ rồi đó.